Hello, my name is Dale Tanzil, and in this video you'll learn how to make a Python calculator. The calculator will be GUI based, and it will not be, no, it'll be console based and not a GUI based application. So, first, I'll assume you have a text editor, and I'll assume you have Python installed also. And I'll also assume that you know a little bit of Python. So, first open up your code editor, go to the directory where you edit Python files, and create a new file called calculator.py. So open it and make tell the interpreter that it's a Python file. Yeah, user bin Python. And now we need to get the user input. The user input is to know the calculation. So create a variable called calculation equals, and now we need to input it. So we need to make raw input. Enter your calculation. First, we need to make it a function. Define calculate. And yeah. But then, now we need to split it into an array. Because 1 of calculation 0 plus calculation 1, 2 calculation 2, yeah. So calculation now it equals calculation, yeah, calculation dot split, and then splits it by space. So what that line of code does is that it splits the calculation raw input into an array. So if you enter 1 plus 1, then calculation 0 should equal 1, and same thing with calculation 1. Calculation 1 equals plus, yeah. Now we need to make num1. Number 1 is the first number that you input, so num1 equals calculation 0. But by default, the raw input is a string, so we need to make it an integer, like so. And type is already a string, so we don't need to change it, so it's calculation 1. And num2 equals calculation 2. And it's supposed to be an integer. Well, actually, you don't know. You have to make it a float, so it can support decimals. So, yeah. Because if you write int calculation 0 or int calculation 2, then it'll only support integers and it will not support decimals. So yeah, and type is already a string, you don't need to change that. So what this line of code does, it gets the first 3 words that you input in the calculation. And then, okay, I'll show you an example. Print num1. Wait, I don't need this. Yeah, this is, yeah. You don't need semicolons in Python. Print num1. So, open the terminal. You've got to have a terminal somewhere in your computer. So, open your terminal. And, go to the directory that you would. Yeah, nothing. That was just another person talking to me. Yeah, anyways, just go. Okay, go to CD. Yeah, go to the directory that you were working Python on. Yeah. Nothing. There was something funny that I just saw. Yeah, go to the directory that you're working on. Yeah, and then change the mode of it. Change mode plus X. Calculation view. Yeah. So it changes the mode to runnable. So you can do this command, calculator.py. Huh? It doesn't do anything. What it's supposed to do is print num1. Oh, we haven't called the calculate function. So yeah, calculate it. Enter your calculation, 1 plus 1. So it outputs 1.0 because 1 is 1.0 basically. So it prints num1. Yeah. Now you need to, okay, wait, I want to show you another example. Num1 plus num2 print. Print num1 plus num2. Enter calculation. 1 plus 1 equals 2.0. Same thing again. Let's try a subtraction. 7 minus 2 equals 9.0. It always acts as if it's an adding question. So you need to change that by making an if statement. If type, the type of it, equals adding, aka that plus sign, then print num1 plus num2. Yeah, that should work. If type equals minus, then print num1 minus num2. You should already get the hang of it by now. Yeah, I don't even need to type it. You could just copy it down. It saves time. And now we need to make a multiply and a divisions. Oh yeah, it's not really spaced out. You don't need to space it out. Yeah. So now it should work. Enter your calculation. 1 plus 1, 2.0. Do it again. 7 minus 2. Wait, no. 7 minus 2. 5.0. And 4 times 4, 16.0. Try it again. Let's see. 72 divided by 9 maybe equals 8.0. You're getting a little tired of writing this down, right? So let's just write an option. So let's just write a raw input to see if you want to calculate another thing. So let's do it again. Create a new variable called again. That raw inputs. Do you want to calculate another spelling? Do you want to calculate another question? So if, wait, no, we need to tell it what to write. The user, write y or no, wait, write y or n. So then, if again equals y, then calculate again. It's a recursive function. We don't even need an else statement actually, yeah. Else, well, we could put an else. Else, print, okay. So let's run it. Enter calculation. 1 plus 1, yes. Do you want to calculate another question? Yes, I want to do. 3 times 3 equals 9.0. No, I don't want to. Now it's fully functional and can work with floats and all that. So yeah, it's basically the calculator. Yeah. Well, bye.